PM, yes, somewhat quavered over Badwam TV, Badwam Jumade, so yada apostle doctor, need a cote guase, Edim Cranshan Sama or dear Bray, the Adru Sony, a Badwam Cassie, and some no, Neobeti or Mubini, Yaman Penny, John Dramani Mahama, Copao, a Jumawura, Jumadiano, Ano, a Badwam and Numa, Abame, Mona, Tichu, and Mebuno, Yadahon, some no so, a Bebro. MPP Amanyoko Franca 2024 no more ya we man penny abedi a chire da na nei ode to just say MPP Amanyoko no sign when so ade hunu sen kabo mo pa ya adwuma 2028 nyame ya adom ne etiase a enkunim de beti mu aye won dia wo abato no mu eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook /Adom TV extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 Oko YouTube search Adom TV Tube, kwadomonline.com, and some way ni bebre so ewo ho. Faseda Mama Joy Trish, Oko Instagram, and Facebook ho, and then anopay or more address me kame. Media fear amankwa tamaklu. Afia ni demiente said and some more ankasa etie. Enwa Dagana Yaman Penny John Dramani Mahama Kopao, Adwumawura, Jumadiano Hontuma Okumase. Ewa sante mantam no emu ya botaye ni nyina agina se be ma nnwuma na emabunu atumi anya bia ye ehwe National Entrepreneurship Innovative Program no ase ensem no eni.
The Adwumawura program is not a mere policy initiative. It is a declaration of faith in the extraordinary potential of our Ghanaian youth. It is our commitment to nurturing their ambitions and translating their ideas into thriving enterprises that will drive our nation's progress.
But it was a Adwumawura program Ghana buying Edia Bay. Shokwan se Ghana ni bia emfa ho ne osika ene bebia wo friba obecha adwuma ne pepepe amobi enye bi aye.
Through this we aim to significantly reduce Ghana's youth employment rates and contribute meaningfully to reducing the global needs indicator. And needs means not in employment, not in education, or not in training.
Nekrakra and a National Entrepreneurship and Innovation Program, Penimpa Wadano, Eric Ejay, editor just say.
We gather here in Kumasi, not just for another ceremony, but for the rebirth of a dream seeded by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. A dream that is now blossoming into the hope for every young Ghanaian. The Adwumawura program is more than a policy. It is a commitment, a lifeline to the countless young men and women.
Mayentwa so na Franca tuni my MPP Amanyoko no ewo mfiempinu ne aduru na yabato no mu na oyeye mampani abedi akiri dada Dr. Mahmoud Baumia send MPP Amanyoko no ewo akwanya wo 2028 no mu se enkabomu na wo mu siesie fie yi a ekunimdie betimi aye wondia
the entire midwin say nyame adom yebeba in 2028 no uhwe Ghana abakosema sana etio Ghana ye history uhwe ubeba aban mu after 8 years na ye pese o free ho Mokai President Kufuor after 8 years ejuma fair oyema Ghana free maternal care capitation grant health insurance ninyina metromas ninyina oye ejuma obe free aban mu na seven nipa na omumpe na asemenya sa but ene he's the most popular ex-president living in Ghana today. And yes, sir, I have hope, sir, with time, people will appreciate the work that we have done.
Mayantwa Kasiano so na atayi konfetechi amwabi a yeche no be 2000 no emu no. Ne mechanical wono ye bo no kwadu no ebinti ye de no eto afiase 35 years no. Wa twemu 23 years and they will file appeal say mpanifo nyi free mu a mpanifo aya na say June bosome de to so enum omra na fe yemu asem no kura Adom kase eto so.
My client's name is Yao Asanti Ejekum. He used to be a motorbike repairer. And the link with Atai was that basically most of the bikes of those armed robbers in the Atai fraternity were repairing their bikes at his workshop. So when the suit was made on Atai, for some reason, because they saw his name on their phones or whatever, in a way they added him to the conspirators for the robbery, armed robbery. And he had no counsel, and unfortunately he was jailed together with the Atai guys to a period of 35 years, and he's been in prison. But when I got wind of the case through the efforts of the then governor of Badwam prison, I looked into the case and I felt that there were some grounds of appeal because there was no evidence to link him either with the conspiracy.
Yantua so na sante amamre mu no se odihye eto a eho amamre ne ayayade no ekoso se de sefata na nanu den na beto odwa se asante mampon ohene eye dasebro sei bonso otoso emienu afrimu bra wonya mfie aduowoche ensia fei na brewa yi pomakwan mu a traditional council no aye amamre a ene wote kokoso asante hene wo mo akoyi no asuchi
da sibro seibunsu otosum yenu mamponhene kusise na ebekwa ekura no na wono na vice president awoda Asante Regional House of Chiefs ano ono nso na tie adwaso ewo mamponwa nidibre se mamponhene no edimu ewo Asante maimu dibra na ekura no ono na second in command ewo Asante amamre mu a otimi gire mu ema Asante hene ewo gina yesie bebre emu da sibre wo seibunsu wono openima abosomede toso aduasa baako afia pema hankoro ne aduonu enkono odi mfie aduwatwe ensia ansa na woda ne benkom so wotena akonwa no so mfie aduonu ensia ansa na wo ba betina mampon akonwa no so no ediya na omanfo de nim no eye oswo jima kese oyemranim ni yobi wabene wosikasemu pa okoye registrar wa Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology na nim die ewa amanone eno my Ghana amanyosemu nti na ho famma de ne kopie miamia bebre enne ena ahemfo ene abusua ebo anan ekọ Asante hene ena ase ewo manhia hemfi a amamre kwan so no okokọbọ te kokọso amane se ne de hie ye mampon hene ada ne benkum so ebre twato manfo hu no wabonten eya kwaside ekọso wo mampon eho ena oka NDC amanyoko no anim se wo mo ede papamu eba esanse bi mo ekoyo ye kire etia mansini krache a wayi no se wo meda omanfo ho mampon ano ohye kwan se nanan mahemfo ede doti yie no ho hyehyeye eba betudwa
Yantua so na National Secretary Dema Global Association of Transformational Educators Eric Mengo na wode kokobo emme chachere 40 biemu no nyame ni mu ni enhyada nkoyie saa akatua yi mantam staff ID show ye wo haw eniema wo se ye de boa wo mo titi wo ne won kronkum mu ni nyina tosini ti wo strempany force won ka won ho no mo achechefo.
As part of your aims in the vision no ye beboa achechefo na omatumi asidan ansana omako pension ni nyina no ye enwomo a ye di begugu akwan mu di aboa achechefo ye sanso ehwe transportation services ye behu se bebi wo ho a ye de achechefo ni bi kono ebi wo ho a na transport ye issue kakra enti ye hwe se ye beboa na transportation system no etumi aye adwuma wo ho se ne be ya o metumi akọ school wano
General Secretary Emakuno John Atta enso ekasa ediafa a teacher fofofro a womo eye 2022 batch a womo entiomoka na ebimu nso enya womo staff ID asise womo enama ho kiremu no wono so de nsem se eto aban nanim
yenuamu a aban fa womo adwumam eye afie atwemi omachade be ye 8 good months but ebinu omunji aketua staff idea and so stress o mo ye aban adwuma ye fo no so a eno so embaye na wo hwe asasen we ya eya hwe pa
yenye no so na Adom TV Badwam kase no ye de si ha aseda ye wo de emre ne adaje a wo de maye wada wo ma hwe ye wo de bonkrata no ne online de no wo ha ye de toso ye kwaba